The market's experiencing very light volume today. I'm here with Alan Valdez from DME Securities. So, Alan, there's a lot of talk about a loss of confidence from individuals, investors, that they don't want to get into this market. You know, we've had a flash crash. We just had the glitch with night trading. Standard Charter trading, supposedly laundering money for Iran that really gets to people, and they lose confidence and feel that the system is against them.
Yeah, it's been a tough year for confidence for a lot of investors because, like you mentioned, you had the night glitch, you have the Standard Capital, then you had MF Global, and just the list goes on and on. Never mind Barclays. So there's a whole litany of problems we've had this year in Wall Street, and it's just another black eye for this industry. But I think at the end of the day, with this Fed keeping interest rates at zero, probably from now till next 25 years, I think the only thing you have to do is invest in some of these dividend-paying stocks. That's probably your best bet in the long run. I know it sounds crazy in this time where the markets are so in flux, but stocks are still relatively cheap if you look at them. One of the reasons is because people aren't investing; they're staying on the sidelines. And in a way, I don't blame them. But at the same time, they're missing great opportunities. I think a lot depends on your window. If you're going to retire in 5 years, you know what? Maybe you do want to stay out, but you're still not making any money. But if you're a young person like yourself with a young family, it's time to get in. You want to get involved. Do you want to throw everything in? Maybe not everything, but do you want to look at a stock that pays 4%, 5%, 6%? Yeah, I do, and that's what I'm doing.
Well, especially when you start to see that it does seem like we're just shifting back and forth in this fairly narrow range. I mean, are there any dividend stocks that jump out at you?
Well, yeah, I mean, you look at AT&T, for instance, pays a nice dividend. You look at a lot of the utilities pay great dividends. Some of these stocks have been raising dividends too. You look, I think it's Northwest Utilities, been raising dividends for the last 130 years. So, I mean, you look for a stock that has a good track record of dividend. Not so much a stock that all of a sudden has a great dividend, because sometimes they rise and fall by their dividends. But look at ones that have track records for decades. For, like I said, a few of them over 100 years have been paying dividends and keep raising them. So I mean, you look at that, you want to get comfortable with that. But again, key right now is to do your homework. Remember, we still got a lot of problems in Europe. We still got financial cliff problems here. So it's going to be a very, very rocky road going forward for the next quite a few years.
All right, and you may as well get paid while you're waiting.